Hi, welcome to Adventure RV Group here in Napa. Today I want to show you the 2022 Wolf Pup 16PF. I love this trailer. It is small, it's compact, it's 4,200 pounds unloaded, and it gives you a slide out, so it really maximizes the space. It's all of 23 foot 9 inches total length, so it's keeping it under 24 feet, very towable by those mid-size SUVs and smaller trucks. You will get a 5-gallon propane tank filled and a 12-volt deep cycle battery. Over here you have a really nice size baggage door that will allow you to put in some big totes, chairs, tiki torches, the children, whatever you can imagine, and it's held up by that little clasp here. We have our wonderful electric awning. It does go almost the full size of your trailer. It's a really nice space. We actually don't even have it fully extended here because we don't have the space, but it's a really good space underneath here for a little outdoor party. Right here you have your outdoor refrigerator. This is a really nice spot for, hey, beer, right a hand grab away, Capri Suns, cuties for the kids, string cheeses, whatever you can imagine, to where they don't have to be running in and out of the unit. You always get your outdoor entertainment center on these Wolf Pups. It's great. You have some plugs here. You've got your cable outlet, your outdoor speakers with beautiful blue LED lights, and the little connection to hang the TV. I love the adventure pack on the Wolf Pups. They've given you this great 15-inch knobby off-road tire. It is a great way to travel off the beaten track just a little bit. And on the back here, you have your leash latch for Fido. You can definitely hook up the dog there, and it kind of gives him a place to where he's not always under your feet. And last but not least, on the front outdoor side, you have a quick connect propane connection. This is great for those outdoor propane fires. It's great for a little barbecue, anything you can imagine. Come on around the back side. I have some things to share with you. You do have your hot water heater over here. You do have your water fill-ups, all easy access all together, and an outdoor shower. I love this. It will go up above anybody's head, almost anybody's head. And it does give hot and cold water. This is great for the dog if he runs through the river. This is great for muddy boots or anything like that. And it's got a little hands-free connection hands-free connection right here. Let's go on inside. So inside the 16PF, you do come into a couch at first. This is the Murphy style bed. They do make it pretty darn easy to fold out into your bed just by lifting up here. Notice all the storage space underneath there. This drops down. Oh, it does occasionally get stuck on your mattress, but that's no problem there. Then you can flip this mattress all the way over when it's not wrapped in plastic, and it will make your queen size bed. On either side, you do have a nice long storage for hanging clothes, and above you do have your little cubby space for anything you can imagine. This lifts right back up like this. And on either side of the bed, sorry to take you around, you do have USB chargers and your 110 outlets. Over here you have your dinette seat. It's a U-shaped dinette on a slide. I love the U-shape. You have a lot more space for games. You have a lot of space in between your knees. That's something that a lot of people complain about. You do have a really nice privacy curtain. Sometimes you want to see the ocean and the river. Sometimes you don't want to see your neighbors. Right above us, we do have some LED lit speakers and all your cable connections for your TV that you can post up here. It also has a Wi-Fi booster pre-wiring. So in case you need to be working from your trailer, you can install a booster and it will amplify your service. Right over here at the entrance, you have your new control panel. Now your gauges will just stay lit of where your black tank is, where your gray tank is, where your battery is. That's kind of nice just to always know what level things are on. Awning exterior light, your exterior work light by the dump station, water heater, water pump, and then of course your Bluetooth connection from your phone to your trailer. I love the new voltage meter. This definitely is helpful for you newbies that don't know how much power you're using. You're having a 12-volt battery on board, and as it gets lower, you're going to be wanting to pay attention to how full your battery is so you don't get stranded. Down here is your stereo, easy to Bluetooth connect to. You'll have indoor-outdoor speakers, and you can definitely have the party inside or outside or both at the same time. Right down here is your battery disconnect switch. If we were to disconnect this right now, everything in the trailer would turn off. What that does in storage, that saves your battery power so that you don't have to be replacing your new battery every year. If you properly take care of your battery, and I will educate you when you take delivery of your unit, that will save you lots and lots of money. And fire extinguisher, GFI switch for your 110 outlets. I love the extra lighting they've done in these. You do have some great storage above the sink. You have some decent storage underneath the sink. And not to mention this very nice foil wrapped counter and a very nice deep sink in the Wolf Pups. Over here you do have your 2-range stove with the glass cover. I love the glass cover because sometimes you do just need a little bit more prep space, and it makes a very clean finish when you're not cooking. You've got your microwave and hood cover with the fan and light. Furnace down here, thermostat over here. One of the things, especially in December, that we're thinking about is staying warm. The furnaces on these units work great. Before we go into the bathroom, let me show you your beautiful refrigerator. This is a 10.4 cubic refrigerator. It works very well, and it holds a lot of supplies. In the 16 PF, they give you as much storage as they can cram in, which is also using this back corner over here. Great pantry space. Not to mention these beautiful drawers underneath here, which Cherokee Gray Wolf Pup are known for. And then to show you this space in here, this is the bathroom. Toilet separate from the shower, very important, and very spacious for changing and also showering. Like and share. Hope you guys have a great holiday.